New standard operating procedure that is blowing my mind, but all strategists, specialists, CMs, clients, grandmothers, dogs, sisters, aunts, uncles, cousins, everyone needs to know about this. Check this out. In Performance Max, this is what we need to continuously do. I just got off a strategy meeting with FA. He's going to do it to another account, but watch this. Performance Max told me in Insights that this group here, and some of you have already known this, but I want to share with you an even newer update. Frequently dines out. The affinity audience is worth 35.9%, 35.9% of all of my conversions with a strength of 1.4 to cold traffic. Knowing this, I created a new listing group only, new asset group and new listing group only to the frequently dines out. Started on Sunday. This frequently dines out audience, now when you look at the listing groups, I started on Sunday, so let's just check Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 333 ROAS with a 4% conversion rate to my frequently dines out audience. It's now spending very well. My CPCs are low. My cost per conversion is half. My conversion rate is 4.7%, and my conversion value is 973 with a 333 ROAS. Let's check yesterday. $715 made, 878 ROAS to frequently dines out. All right, now how is this actually equating to campaign performance? Well, knowing that I got better and better last 2 days compared to the previous 2 days, my Performance Max campaign, my ROAS increased by 35%. My average cart value went up by 100%. My conversion value went up by 34%. My cost went down 0.74%. Now let's check yesterday. 221 ROAS, $2,000 in conversion value, $900 in cost, same exact cost. It's actually spending a little bit more now. But my campaign just went from, if we check the same date last week, let's do custom. I haven't even done this yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. My ROAS went from 87 to 221. And my cost went up 8%. My conversion value and my conversions went from 23 up to 26. My conversion value went from 750 to 202. That audience is kicking butt. So, moral of the story is, don't take your eye off that Insights tab and keep building. We now have a way to control our essentially smart shopping campaigns and actually move the needle. Freaking awesome stuff.
Wait, before you go, I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to soul8.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.